morning, my dear students of class 9. Today we will start chapter 2, Reforms, Characteristics and Observations, page number 19. And our topic is 19th century Bengal, reflections of society in periodicals, newspapers and literature. So let's start, my students. Bengal was the center of literary activities in the 19th century. Different periodicals, journals and newspapers published from Bengal did a great service to the cause of Indian press. The print media contributed a lot in social and other fields, and to promote nationalism also it played a very important role. Among the papers and periodicals that published articles on social reforms as also on the social problems facing the society, mention may be made of Ganadarshan, Bamabodhini, Hindu Patriot, etc. Now we will talk about a very important periodical, that is the Bamabodhini. The Bamabodhini Patrika was a Bengali periodical of colonial Bengal with a strong emphasis on women's issues. It was first published in 1863. Umesh Chandra Datta published the Bamabodhini. He wrote that the paper intended to focus the needs of the women folk. Bamabodhini helped to bring about women's progress in education and social matters. It published articles and poems. All the articles were aimed at the development of women. The essays pointed out the backward condition of women in social and educational matters, and also suggested remedies to bring about women's educational progress. Bamabodhini recorded in its pages the role of women in a changing society and family. Some of the essays pointed out the responsibilities of the educated woman, and a few essays also dealt with the notion of ideal woman in Bengali society. Other issues included women's role in the family, the significance of girls' school, domestic work, qualities of good motherhood, then the institution of marriage, the position of widows in the society, and widow remarriage. Bamabodhini raised its voice against all forces that were bent on oppressing women. The Patrika played a great role in bringing about a radical change in the society.